Hello students, now we are going to start with the literary terms and one by one we are going to do literary terms. The very first term which I take today is elegy. An elegy is a special kind of a lyric. It is an expression of the emotion of sorrow, woe or despair. In short, the elegy is a lament, a lyric of mourning or an utterance of personal sorrow. Therefore, it should be characterized by absolute sincerity of emotion and expression, says Hudson. In common use, it is often restricted to a lament over the dead, but that is an improper narrowing of its meaning. There are laments over places, over lost love, over the past, over an individual's misery and failure, and so forth. An elegy then expresses grief and simplicity, brevity and sincerity, and they are its distinguishes characteristics. There are elegies which are confined to the expression of grief, for example, Tennyson's Break, Break, Break. Sometimes death is the inspiration and the sole or the only theme. At other times, it is merely the common point from which the poet launches various themes. Speculation on the nature of death and hereafter tributes to a friend. Thomas Gray's elegy written in a country churchyard is one of the most popular elegy in English language. In the elegy, the poet does not mourn the death of some particular friend or relative, but expresses his grief at the sorry fate of the rude, rustic forefathers of the village who die in obscurity. The villagers who are unknown, unsung for. It is a magnificent and a complex work of art, dignified and solemn in tone, and not an expression of personal grief. Tennyson's In Memoriam is a unique elegy in English language. It is a collection of over 100 poignant lyrics, united into a single whole by the poet's lament at the death of his college friend Arthur Hallam. But along with the expression of personal grief, there also runs a theology and a philosophy, and the poet constantly reflects on the problems of human life and human destiny. The elegy is a composition of the philosophical and religious thoughts of the mourner. Pastoral elegy. This is a special kind of elegy. It is an elegy in which the poet represents himself as a shepherd mourning the death of the fellow shepherd. This form arose among the ancient Greek and in ancient Rome. It was used by the Latin poet Virgil. In England, we have Milton's Lycidas, Shelley's Adonais as an example of pastoral elegy. In the 20th century, we have Auden, who reverses the elegiac tradition and is known particularly for his elegy on the death of W.B. Yeats. Dylan Thomas is another such unconventional writer of elegy. Thank you.